Hello. So our author, Mark Saluk of Lucy's Way, when we created this website, he did not have an Instagram account yet. He has added that to his social media accounts, and we are going to add his Instagram profile to his website. There's two locations where we're going to do that, and the first one I've actually already done, but I'm just going to show you how I did it. So we in Divi, there we go. Sorry, I couldn't see it. In the Divi dashboard in the sidebar menu, we're going to click on theme options. And then in here on the general tab where it opens up automatically, you'll see if you scroll down some social profiles, and Instagram is one of those that are built in. It'll ask you for that URL. So we've added the new URL for Instagram there. And then after I added it, I of course saved those changes so that those will be active. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to pages, because I actually custom added a couple of social media icons in the footer. It doesn't matter which page we scroll to. We made the footer global, so we only have to edit it on one page, and it will apply those changes across all pages. So we're going to scroll down, and you'll see here how this box is green, whereas the other sections, when I hover over them, are blue. That is the difference between a global template and just a module setting that's just for that page. Okay, so now I'm going to go to Edit Footer Template. And here where we see these social icons, we want to add Instagram to this mix. So I'm just going to click on the module settings here. I'm going to add new social network. And then I'm going to find the network that I want to add, which is Instagram. And we've already given a link, but that was for a different part of the page. So we're going to do that for the site. So we're going to do that here as well. And I already had that copied to paste it. So I'm just going to paste that link there and then save it. And now we saved it in the module. Oh, okay. Yes. So I forgot. We have some customizations to do. That is like the default look of the icons when you add it. We don't want our icon to look like that. So we're going to go to the design tab here, and there's actually a shorter way to do this, but I'm going to go here. I'm actually going to click out. We could manually do all of that. No, we do have to manually do it. I think we might. Yeah, we do. Okay. Sorry for that little delay there. Design. See. I need to look at another one to know what our designs are. Icon. Oh, okay. So our icon is 17 and we used the white. So we're going to go back. Instagram. Design. Icon is our white. And it is 17. Yeah. Okay, let's see. That looks like still didn't get us there. That changed our icon in the center, but it did not change the background of the icon. So that we're going to do here. Boom. Let's see what that looks like. Almost. It's a different blue. It's a darker blue. Okay. Background. Yes, that's the one. And there we have it. We are good to save now. Save. And just to see how it looks, make sure that it happened across all pages. First, look at our main page. And then let's just go to some of the other pages. Nice. So we are good. All right, Chewy agrees. If you can hear her barking, that's my dog. All right, we are good with that one. So thanks. Until next time.